accumulation of wealth. Everybody talks about making money, but the real key is not just making money, but accumulating wealth. The two types of terminologies: rich and wealthy. Rich is somebody who makes a lot of money. Wealthy is somebody who has a lot of money. There's a big difference. Let me explain a little bit on both of these. There are a lot of people who make $100,000, $150,000, $200,000 a year. But despite that, they remain in the middle class category in the society. The reason is, the more amount of money you make, the more amount of expenses you have. You maybe end up buying a bigger home. You maybe end up buying a bigger car. You maybe start sending your kids to a higher end private school. Maybe you start taking 2 vacations a year. Maybe you start doing remodeling, but you really don't need the remodeling of your home. So on and so forth. You buy the latest iPhones, the latest watches, the latest everything. You make a lot of money, you spend a lot of money. Then you have the wealthy people. They have a lot of money. And this is what I'm going to talk about today. How do you become wealthy? Like I said, everybody on YouTube, everybody nowadays talks about making a lot of money. That's not the end game though. I know so many people who make a lot of money, but they are working till the day they retire and beyond that. I've been personally trolled by a lot of rich people that they don't have any liquidity. They're going to be working till the day they turn 70. And the reason is not being able to save money. Period. That's the formula to accumulating wealth. How do you do that though? You know, temptations, there's so many temptations in this world. For some people, it's running after different men and women. For other people, it's spending that same money on material things, cars, cell phones, overpriced clothing. Now you have to, whenever you make a lot of money, you have to question your every move. I'll give you an example. I was at a store today purchasing a colorful rug. Why? I just wanted to spruce up my place. I was walking towards the checkout stand and I started questioning. Do I really need it or do I want it? Is it really going to make a difference at this point in my life? And after answering a few questions just mentally in my own head, I left that rug, I came home, I'm $70 richer. You see, it's not easy. It's not easy. When you make a lot of money, you can afford the cars with, high-end leather seats, heated and ventilated seats, panoramic roof, big wheels. You can go to Bahamas or the Caribbean or Fiji Islands every year. You can buy $2,000 Valentino suits, Hugo Boss suits. But the thing is, do you want to work until the day you can no longer even move your arms? Or do you want to live a life where, yes, you have to live below your means today. Yes, you may not be cool in the eyes of the society. But when you're 40, when you're 50, you'll be living a life that most people do not. And the reason is you were able to control your temptations. You were able to control your wants, your wishes. That's how I live my life. I question everything when I'm about to make a purchase. Do I need a car with these features? Do I need this TV? Do I need this phone? Do I need this technology? Do I need this overpriced clothing? It's the accumulation of wealth that will define what type of lifestyle you live in the future. Not the amount of money you make. A lot of people make a lot of money. A lot of people make a lot of money. But their choices and their lifestyle prevent them from accumulating wealth and retiring at an age earlier than they would have. It's simple, but it's not easy. We're done.